how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just go to settings here and then go to apps and and here you'll find apps and features. After that, just scroll down and delete all the applications that you don't need, all the unnecessary applications. Just click and then click uninstall, and after that, just make sure you have enough space to install GTA 5, and that's it. Then just go back and now just click here and close all the applications that you don't need, like Epic Games and all the applications like OBS and Discord. Right click and select the last option, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.